How can the same sugarcane become jaggery in 20 minutes burnt? Or 4 hours?
One farmer trusts fire and his father's hands. One factory trusts steel, steam, and a stopwatch.
Welcome to Process Media. We trace sugarcane down 2 rival paths: ancient fire and modern steel. Every stalk here faces the same fork, the old way or the new. Machines can't yet judge cane by feel. Some decisions still belong to human hands. From here, the same crop starts 2 very different clocks. No motor here, just body weight, timing, and a wheel worn smooth by decades.
Every impurity caught by hand now is one less problem for the fire. The fire that cooks the juice is fed by the cane itself.
Skim too little, the jaggery clouds. Skim too much, you lose the yield. Here, the cane doesn't wait for a worker's rhythm. The machine sets the pace.
What took 2 men and a crank now happens in under 4 seconds.
Instead of open fire, this juice boils under vacuum, cooler, faster, and far more controlled.
No skimming needed here. The vacuum does that work invisibly.
Same plant, same sugar, but fire and steel never produce quite the same color.
By now, one crop has become 2 very different kinds of syrup. Color is the only instrument here. No thermometer tells this worker when to stop. When the syrup ribbons instead of drips, the fire's work is nearly done.
Cooling isn't passive to rife. It's folded by hand until the syrup remembers how to hold shape.
This exact judgment has no manual. It passes from one pair of hands to the next.
Where the fire relies on eyes, this tank relies on sensors reading density by the second.
A material name match confirmed.
No stone slab, no hand folding, just circulating water, pulling heat away exactly.
Precision doesn't remove judgment entirely. It just moves the judgment to a lab card.
Consistency is steel's gift. But every batch of fire-cooked jaggery carries its own small signature. No gloves, no tool, pipung. Just hands that know exactly how much to take.
Every mold filled is a small, unrepeatable decision made in seconds.
There's no timer for this either, just a fingertip, checking what the fire made. In this courtyard, imperfection isn't a flaw, inburned. It's proof a hand was here. Here, a machine will shape in one motion what took a courtyard all afternoon.
No 2 rounds from the courtyard match. Every round here does.
No fingertip test needed. Too keen. The machine already knows the exact moment.
A camera now does what an elder's eye once did, judging shape in a blink. Two very different rhythms, both arriving at the same finish line. After hours apart, both paths arrive here, side by side, waiting to be judged.
Fire traps small minerals and the vacuum tank strips away hydrorid, a texture steel simply can't replicate.
By the numbers, steel wins on yield. More sugar saved from every stalk.
But yield was never the only thing this courtyard was measuring.
In the end, it's not the factory that decides which jaggery wins. Wami, it's the market.
Buyers pay more for the version a machine could never quite copy.
Not a contest with one winner, Bri. Two answers to the same old question.
One package tied by hand. One sealed in under 2 seconds.
The shed counts in seconds what the courtyard counts by hand all night. By morning, no buyer will know which pile came from fire, which from steel.
One crop, 2 clocks, one truth. There was never really a wrong answer.